Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going over Give Us Clean Hands by Chris Tomlin. So let's get right into it. So let's go over the chords real quick. So we're gonna have a G. That's middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E and the 3rd frets on the B and the high E with your ring finger and your pinky. We're gonna have a D. So that starts out on the G string. We have 2nd fret with your index finger. We have your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. So there's an F sharp in that bass note. So if you want to wrap your thumb around the 2nd fret and hit that as well, you can do that as well. So C, we have your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. G is open, and you have your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. E minor, it's just the 2nd fret on the A and the D string. Okay. We also have a C2. So that C2 is played in the chorus of the song. Okay, so instead of playing your normal C, you could play that C2. And I play that by just removing my middle finger from my C chord and muting the D string. So you have 3rd fret on the A string with your ring finger. You're also muting the D string. The G string is open, and then index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And again, that A minor 7 is just your A minor, so that's your middle finger and your ring finger on the 2nd frets of the D and the G string with your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and then you add your pinky to the 3rd fret of the high E string. So it starts right off with a G. G, F sharp in the bass note, C, give us clean hands, G, give us clean hands. E minor, D, C over 2, G, D, E minor, D, C. Oh, come let this be, G. So there's a bridge with a guitar solo over it. So you could be playing an A minor 7. So that's just your standard A minor with your pinky at it on that high E string. To a D. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. It's a really simple song. It just repeats itself, I think, all the way through 2 or 3 times. So just listen along, and you know, if you want to pop a capo on the 1st fret, that might make it sound more like the song, or you could just play it in standard tuning. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you back next time.